KeyAuth had a massive security update, stopping your app from being cracked. Make sure you update your app using our latest code. And watch the rest of the video to make your app even more secure. We're using asymmetric public key encryption. This means only KeyAuth can sign your request, and it can't be spoofed like the old secret had potential for. You can use these two functions to make your app more secure. The var function will let you load server-sided strings, and the check function provides the user's authentication status. We are using the same encryption implementation that Discord is using. Discord added the encryption 4 years ago. If someone was going to crack it, they would have already done it. Also, there are integer checks instead of Boolean now, and hashing checksums validating the API response. If you have any questions, please put them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.